Boom! What's going on, YouTube? Merdicus back here, bringing you guys another POV test drive. Right now we're in a 2021 Toyota Prius Prime. Unfortunately, tomorrow I will be handing back the vehicle to its rightful owner. But I will say I've driven 2,000 miles in it, and I had an absolute blast. This car is definitely one of the best cars you can buy for the money. I really don't see any other transportation in terms of the economical value you get out of driving this car. This thing is insane. I mean, I have heated seats, nice CarPlay infotainment system. I don't have it hooked up right now, but car is packed with technology. It's got a very useful stop. Like if I got too close to that Honda, it will actually apply the brakes for me to prevent a crash. So that's really good if you're like, I don't know, some situation, let's say, and it just saves you from rear-ending somebody. So that's pretty clutch. Other features I love about the car, look at this. Let's say I get into the lane too much, it actually pushes me back into the lane if I get too close to the lines. So that's super nice, keeps you in the lane. Oh, gotta watch out for these people. I'm going. Got in power mode. It's definitely not my 3 Series fast at all. It's actually a lot slower, I believe. It only has like 100 horsepower, 120 or something like that. But what you do get out of that is, fire economical vehicle. I mean, I really have only put gas in it, done an oil change at the dealership. But this gives me 2008 Prius vibes. I had a Gen 2 Prius, and I'm glad to say that the Prius is definitely upgraded since then. It's definitely one of my favorite vehicles. It's not flashy at all. It's not fast. It is a little luxurious, but I will say I'm not trying to be like too OCD, but I do hear some cracks, especially right here. There's like a window trim, especially when you're going over 70 on the highway. I hear it. And when you have, it is completely quiet right now. I mean, the car is so quiet. I don't hear any engine noise. I do hear, like, the road feeling. It feels very Toyota-like. I'm just basing this off of my, like, only like 3 cars that I've really driven. The 3 Series 08 E90 BMW, and then my Gen 2 Prius. And I also had a Kia Rondo, but I didn't do any footage on it. But anyways, hopefully everyone watching this, you're doing well, sending you good vibes. Thank you for joining in. We're just gonna continue. I'm just gonna keep grinding this on my journey. Hopefully we can get 10,000 subs as soon as possible. Right now I believe I got like 2.7K subs, so let's run it up. Let me show you real quick the different drive modes. We got eco, normal, power. I'm gonna just keep in power. I mean, literally all the other ones are just too slow for me. It's like I'm literally pressing down the pedal all the way, and I'm like not even going adequate speed. But I will say, this is off the thing. I average I average 71.6 miles per gallon, which is absolutely nuts. That's about 3 times as much fuel saving compared to my 3 Series, because I get like 18 to 20. And that's me like being generous. That's me not flooring it. I mean, that thing, I guess it's just because this is so OP because the engine shuts off. And it's like a hybrid system, so it can run on electricity. I don't know. Hybrids, I think, are the way to go. I think that's going to be my next car. I'm looking at the CT Lexus. I actually test drove one at CarMax. Shout out to them. Shout out Muhammad if you're watching this. Thank you, Muhammad. Hooked me up at the CarMax. And, showed me a really good time, because I also got to check out the other cars on the lot as well. but it's not the best weather. It's not very sunny. It's actually quite cloudy and rainy, but nonetheless, had to make a fire video for you guys. Definitely miss making these YouTube videos. I definitely have to, you know, hone down on more. Comment down below what you guys like and what you guys want to see next. I got a 3 Series BMW. I'm definitely gonna be posting more, but like I said, this is gonna be probably one of my last trips with this car, as I'm giving it back to its owner, aka my mom. Shout out my mom. But anyways, it was a fun car. Definitely enjoyed driving it. And yeah, some other things I can go on, I can show, you know, like the climate system. Not too different. It's got heat and cool. I have it on eco mode. That's a nice, I think that just shuts off the engine. Keep it on circulation. But as you can see, we got the iPod set up. We got Bluetooth, aux, USB as well, satellite, FM and AM. And let me show you the menu. So as you can see, I haven't really delved into the app suite. I don't really know what that is, but we can go into the info. Go look at energy. As you can see, it's got the classic. If you're familiar with the Prius platform, they have this nice little infotainment system, so to speak. But the battery is in the back. Definitely do not want to get rear-ended, because it's probably going to total the car. Because this is the Prime. This is not the regular Prius. But if I was looking at one, I'd probably go with the regular Prius. They actually just released the new one, and it actually looks really good in my opinion. As you can see, the engine's going at it. There's an electric motor, and they got the engine. I mean, this system, Toyota has bon appetited it, basically. I mean, Toyota and the Prius, I think they have one of the best hybrid systems going. I mean, it's in there. They use this hybrid format in pretty much all of their cars, even the Lexuses. Because I drove the CT200H, like a 2013, and it felt almost like this. It actually felt a little bit better build quality, no lie. Even for it being a 2013, it just felt like it was more like more tight. But I think that just goes with the luxury. Lexus is considered the luxury brand. Prius is, like, you know, economical. But this is like 30 racks, I want to say, so that's not like, that's getting up there with Lexus prices. But I will say you will be saving a lot of money buying this car, because this will get you A to B no problem. I mean, I've had a 2008 Prius. Besides the fact that people like to steal the catalytic converters, they're very good cars. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm actually gonna go work out, get that health in. Anyways, like I was saying, sending you guys good vibes. Love you all. Peace.